In addition, KSMAC Disaster Coordinator Tara Forrester says the corporation is set to host a hurricane table talk soon, bringing key agencies together for preparedness discussions. The aim is to plan for the worst while hoping for the best.
Likewise, we will also be having an EOC training. We are mindful that a number of persons are new and do not understand what the EOC is or how it is to be activated and how it is to be managed. So as such, we will be having an EOC training, and we ask that everyone please to suggest representatives to attend these meetings. And it's a 2-day workshop, and the date will be communicated with every agency. We also require that each agency provide a list of EOC personnel that will be in the EOC or that is the contact person for the disaster period.
After a recording historic year for crime fighting in 2025, the Police High Command is reporting a 23% reduction in murders almost halfway into 2026. Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake, who has attributed the continued reduction to targeted policing, stronger partnerships, improved intelligence, capabilities, and technological investments, also hit back at public narratives about the force. More from Nakinski Robinson.
Up to May 23, 213 murders were recorded when compared with 275 for the corresponding period last year. According to the police, there has also been a 24% reduction in murders for May when compared with the same period last year. Overall, major crimes are down 20%. Police Chief Dr. Kevin Blake contends that the gains made are not by chance, attributing the success instead to strategic and effective policing. The top cop, who is acknowledging criticisms leveled against the JCF in recent weeks following the police fatal shooting of Latoya Bujabulgin in Granville, St. James, contends that the organization should not be defined by a few unfortunate incidents involving the questionable judgment of a small number of its members. The JCF has also come under fire for the slow implementation of body-worn cameras on planned police operations. However, the police chief says while criticisms are welcome, as the force has grown stronger because of constructive feedback, they must be reasonable, informed, and sincere. Commissioner Blake says the JCF is never comfortable with incidents that result in wounding or loss of life, whether involving any police personnel or members of the public. Accordingly, he has urged rank-and-file members to reject the negative behavior of the few that are doing damage.